Place this near your door, and mice will start avoiding that area. Take a larger plate, then add flour. Its smell attracts rodents, which is why it's often used in these types of mixtures. Add 1 tablespoon. Now add sugar. Sugar has a strong scent and makes the mixture even more attractive to rats and mice. Add 1 tablespoon. The last ingredient is baking soda. This is what makes the mixture work on rodents. Add 1 tablespoon. Mix everything well. This is a simple, natural way to deal with mice. Now take a smaller bowl and transfer some of the prepared mixture into it. Place it where rats or mice may appear. The best spots are near the entrance to the house, by trash bins, or next to balcony doors. These are places rodents most often use to try to get inside. In this way, you can help prevent mice from entering your home. You can reduce their presence near doors and other entry points. Over time, you may notice that rodents begin avoiding these areas. Spray a little bundle of aluminum foil with hairspray and place it by the door. I promise you, mice won't come near it. If you don't know how to repel mice, here's one of the best methods. Mice can show up in any home, especially if there's a garden nearby. It's best to prepare something that keeps them away from a distance. Mice hate a few things, so we'll make a homemade repellent from them. Get some cayenne pepper. Put a small amount in a bowl. Add some cloves. Mice hate the smell of these 2 spices. Drizzle them with peppermint oil, another scent mice can't stand. Lay out a piece of aluminum foil and transfer the mix onto it. Wrap it into a small bundle. To let the scent escape, poke holes in the foil with a toothpick, or don't seal it too tightly. Mice also strangely dislike aluminum foil. Finally, spray the whole bundle with hairspray. Ingredients in hairspray have a scent that effectively repels many pests. Just place the bundle by a door, window, or near your food waste bin. This mix combines several proven ways to repel mice, making it extra effective. Rats and mice will avoid your home. You don't need to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your house from unwanted rodents. Grab a lemon, specifically its peel. Its strong aroma makes it perfect for this trick. Cut it into small cubes and place them in a glass container, like a jar. Next, take about 3 cloves of garlic, peel them and chop them finely. Add the chopped garlic to the jar with the lemon. Mice also dislike the smell of coffee, so add a tablespoon of ground coffee to the jar. Another key ingredient is a handful of cloves, known for their strong scent that repels mice and some insects. Pour vinegar over all the ingredients. Let the mixture sit for 48 hours, allowing everything to intensify its effects. After that, strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, simply spray around the entrance of your home. This is the best natural repellent that will surely keep mice away from your property. You've never used cotton pads like this before. They'll make your problem disappear. Grab a medium-sized plastic plate and cover it with cotton pads. These pads absorb liquids. By using this simple solution, you'll avoid harsh chemicals and keep your space pest-free. Next, pour vinegar over them, a natural repellent. Add oil to each pad. Olive oil or essential oil works too. This enhances the vinegar's effect. Sprinkle a pinch of red pepper on each pad and don't forget ground black pepper, a product rodents avoid. This mix has a strong scent that repels pests. You can also place them near windows and doors to create a barrier that mice won't want to cross. Place these traps in areas prone to rodents, like basements or garages. Replace every few days to keep them effective. This method is safe, non-toxic, and easy to prepare with common household items. Leave it by the door. You'll get rid of the problem and your home will be safe. For this trick, you'll need a few lemons. Cut the lemons in half, then squeeze the juice from all of them. Next, take a few jar lids and place a lemon half on each one. Make sure to cut off the ends of the lemons so they lay flat. Pour a little olive oil, or regular oil, into each lemon peel. Add a few drops of essential oil that is an effective mouse repellent. Then, prepare a mortar and pestle and grind some coarse black pepper. Add a little of it to each lemon. Mix the ingredients well inside the lemon. This mixture will not only help keep rodents away, but will also freshen up the air inside your home, effectively fighting off unwanted guests. The essential oils in the lemons have a strong scent that can irritate a mouse's sense of smell, discouraging them from staying in specific areas. That's why it's best to leave such a lemon lid by the front door. Regular use of this method can help prevent mice and rats from entering your space. Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back, and now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally. This one small ball is enough to get rid of mice and rats in your home. Rodents settle in quickly and like to return to places where they feel safe, so the key is not only to scare them away, but also to prevent them from coming back. I'll show you a simple method that works effectively. Take a cotton pad that absorbs and releases scents well. Add half a teaspoon of garlic. Garlic has a very strong smell that rodents can't tolerate and instinctively avoid. Next, sprinkle it with cayenne pepper. Its sharp aroma irritates rodents and makes the deterrent even more effective. Add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint has an intense scent that confuses mice and rats and disrupts their sense of direction. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to strengthen the mixture and make the smell even more unpleasant for rodents. Take some plastic wrap, wrap the cotton pad into a small ball, and poke a few holes in it with a toothpick so the scent can slowly escape. Place it where rodents may appear, such as in the garage, basement, on the patio, or near entrances to your home. The scent lasts a long time and creates a barrier rodents don't want to cross. This method is cheap, safe, and doesn't require traps.